Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you to y'all my fitness center business plan that's been updated for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into some of the changes and updates that I made to my fitness center business plan template for 2023. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's talk about the star of the show, which is the Fitness Center Business Plan template that I've updated for 2023. And the first update that I made to the template is I started incorporating AI to some of the writing. I don't use AI extensively because it's just not there. The quality and the content is just not there as compared to original writing for myself. However, incorporating AI to some areas, for example, the executive summary, it does help to spruce it up a little bit, add a little bit of, make it a little bit more flowery, to engage your reader quicker. And that's exactly what I've done is I've used AI in some of the areas. For example, the fitness center summary, I used it to go ahead and, like I said, spruce it up, draw the reader in, grab their attention early on. So that's the first place that I've updated. The second update that I made was industry research. As we all know, every business plan should have industry research. And what I've done is I have a subscription to IBIS World. And in my most humble of opinions, IBIS World is an industry leader in industry research. And I accessed the report, summarized their information, and I did update my business plan template with my findings from that report. So now the research is up to date for 2023 for the Fitness Center template. And the final change that I made is I went ahead and I updated the social media marketing section. I added a little bit more content to it, but I also made sure that, instead of stating Twitter, I've changed it to X, and then I've just made sure that I've also added a little bit more information explaining what the template is, what the marketing is going to be focused on. For example, the marketing message is going to be focused on the fitness center's amenities and prices. Typically, that's what my clients are going to be doing, is when they're doing the social media advertising, they're going to be hitting on the amenities and prices. If that needs to be changed, if that is not aligned with your needs, then again, it's a template, make the changes as needed. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.